back up here with us yet? We're getting some readings from Annette.
Around this area.
Sometimes I'll be like right next to a person.
Anybody feel anything strange?
It's right.
Paranormal, sorry.
How are you ladies doing?
There's an interesting view out the window so you can see the library from up here. While you're up here, take a look. You don't get to see that very often.
Two. Yeah, now it's on FM.
Oh, let's put it back on AM. Oh, hello. So the K2 meter's going off like crazy.
Somebody you really want to talk to us?
Yeah, K2 meter's going
Yours is going off
crazy.
also.
I'm going to set that so it's
Thank you, well
getting
done.
everything.
I'm moving this recorder just so that they get that noise. K2 meter's going crazy. Thank you. So which spirits are up here in the lounge with us? Hello.
Would you like to communicate with us?
Both of
Thank
those going
you.
off at the same time. They were both blinking.
That was awesome. Thank you. Can you say my name again? That was pretty cool. I swear I just heard it say Rob contact you. And that would be interesting. Come.
Come where?
What was that?
Feet? Nine?
I thought it said Eric.
I thought it said Ellie. Is someone here named Eric? You? Oh. Will you say my name again through the spirit box?
Tell me that's me.
Can you come stand next to one of us so I know you're really good?
Yeah. Hello. And it said yep.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome. Thank you.
I appreciate that.
The vent is turned on so I know that we've got air circulating so if you feel cold that can do that.
So who's up here with us? Let's hear your name, please. Will you please tell us your name?
Who are you standing by?
Morgan? Is there a
That's what I
Morgan?
heard.
Is there a Morgan here?
No?
Is that your name?
Elizabeth.
Morgan?
I heard Elizabeth. The woman say Elizabeth. Hello, Elizabeth. Will you speak again to us, Elizabeth?
Or are you girls comfortable if I ask you to stand by you?
It's fine.
Okay. Can you go stand by the young lady with the hat and her friend in the dark shirt? Her sister.
I just need to stop running.
We're ready.
They're ready. Go stand by her, please. Light up that K2
Yep.
and say hello.
Oh, did it. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's great.
Who has the laser grid?
Oh, no, he's laser.
The green light? The pen? I do.
Yeah. She's trying to hand it to you. Sorry.
I just put
What? I'm going to think that I didn't hear blood. I heard something else that sounded like it.
Can you tell us the last name? We get a lot of first names. Can we get your last name, please?
Ed.
Ed,
thought
what
I
is
heard-
your last name?
I thought it said dead.
Yeah, me too.
I thought it said dead too.
Thanks for lighting up the K2 meter too.
I do genealogy, and I'd be happy to look you up, find your family.
Earlier we got the name
If I could
Michael.
get some last names, please.
We got Richmond. Help. What's your last name? What's that? It's got tapping noise. What's your last name? Cousin?
Did you hear Fred? No, it's me, not
I
Fred.
heard Nixon.
You heard Nixon?
Yeah.
What's your first name? Who are we talking to? Evan? How are you guys doing out in the hall? What words you guys getting?
We got Penny. It's a name.
Uh-huh.
Penny, are you here?
And hi, Elizabeth.
Hello. I don't think I was listening. No.
Are you enjoying talking to us tonight?
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, yes. Is that what it said on there? It said yes. Well, we're enjoying talking to you too. Thank you.
You need to make the lights come out more. Can you light up the K2? Let them know you're here. This is our last tour for the night. Can you really talk to us?
It did light
And
up.
we're going to go home for the evening.
And we'll talk to you when we come back. Owen?
I heard home.
Home?
You want us to go home?
Stop.
What did it say? Stop?
Stop.
You want us to stop?
Do you want us to stay? Ten.
10 again. Are you ready for us to go home?
Does anybody have any questions they want to ask? We need a big hurrah. We need you to really let them know you're here.
Please, please, please.
Yeah.
Bed?
You ready for bed? Are we ready for bed?
Bless you.
Thank you.
You have a startling sneeze.
I just heard Ashley.
Ash?
Ashley?
That's it, Ashley.
There's Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Ashley. Can you tell us the name of someone else in the room?
Brooke.
Brooke?
That's what it sounds like. Brooklyn or something.
Is there a Brooke? Okay, let's try again.
Come on, light up those lights. Let me know you're here. I know you're getting tired. We've asked a lot of you today.
Thank you for everything tonight. It's been great talking to you.
And it's almost
I
time.
heard you bet.
You bet. Yeah, it said you bet. We really appreciate it.
Can you light them up again and just tell everybody good night? 'Cause it's getting late and we're going to have to go.
Yep.
Come on, light them up. Tell them good night.
Please. Okay. Will you please light up the K2 meter for us to let us know Thank
Oh,
you.
there we go.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate your cooperation. You're welcome. Great.
You said you're welcome. You have a good night, okay? Is there anything else you want to say to us before we go? Please?
Chip.
Chip?
She was kind of like chip.
Something.
He said something about she wanted to eat it or something.
Yeah, I thought you said chipmunk.
Please, chip. Okay, what else? Please, chip. Neck. Please, chip. Neck. It's light now. Thank you. Please, chip. Chip.
Chipper.
Shipwreck?
This is your chance
Some little
to
fucking
say,
drop.
this is your chance to say
Green
one
River
last
Ferry.
big message, Star. What do you want to say?
Starting help. You said one last
Help.
big message. It said help.
Do
What
you need us to
with?
help?
Are you in trouble? Are you hurt?
Can we help you? Owen?
What's up, Owen?
Hey, Owen.
How do you want us to help you, Owen?
job.
Does your neck hurt? Do you need help with your neck or something?
When I'm doing it, I'm only getting it like this area.
Thank you.
Vision.
It's very cold right here. Thank you for lighting up the K2 meter.
Are you standing by
You
Ellie?
bet.
It's not stopping anymore.
Thanks for communicating it, said. We're gonna go now, so one last chance. What else do you have to say?
Good night. Thank
Good
you.
night.
Yeah, I like the chip.
Yeah, I said liked it.
You liked it? We liked it too. Thank you.
Good night.
That was cool. Did